Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add collections in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in home in your Shopify store, then just click products and click collections. When you're gonna do it, you want to just simply click create a collection. And right here, you just want to, let's add summer collection. Then we're gonna see, add the description, good Nike shoes. And collection type, you can have like automated or manual. That automated product tab is equal to, so you have product type is, or when you have, I don't know, compare at price. So we can have manual. And this would be my collection. And you can add image also. Let's click save now. And now what you can do is just simply go to all products, click here. You can edit the product, not what I wanted. And you can add collection here to the collection, the product. Or you can do it all together by just clicking on a collection. And just choosing the product here and adding it. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.